step under skies that never rest. Echoes call from hills and rain. Every tear becomes a flame. The road remembers every soul, each story carved into the cold. That's the sound of the way, whispers of hearts that stay. The wind sings the pain and hope hums the refrain. Feet on the ground, eyes on the day. We're alive in the sound of the way. Names on walls, candles fade, yet the light will never trade. Laughter shared at break of dawn, the miles behind still carry on. The road forgives, the road heals slow. It breaks you just to let you grow. That's the sound of the way, whispers of hearts that stay. The wind sings the pain and hope hums the refrain. Feet on the ground, eyes on the day. We're alive in the sound of the way. Maybe faith is just the sound of silence shouting all around. Every step a note we play in the song that lights the grave. That's the sound of the way. Not lost, not found, just brave. Rain or sun, we still pray and keep walking the sound of the way. So